Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a journey through the natural world to discover some of the most beautiful creatures that are sadly endangered. These animals, with their stunning appearances and unique characteristics, remind us of the incredible diversity of life on our planet. However, their endangered status also highlights the urgent need for conservation efforts. Let's dive in and explore these magnificent beings and learn how we can help preserve them for future generations. Number 1. Amur leopard. The Amur leopard, a solitary and elusive big cat, roams the temperate forests of eastern Russia and northern China. With its thick, luxurious coat adorned with beautiful rosettes, this feline is perfectly adapted to its cold habitat. Unfortunately, fewer than 100 individuals remain in the wild, primarily due to poaching and habitat loss. Their stunning fur makes them a target for illegal trade, while deforestation and human encroachment reduce their living space and prey availability. Conservation efforts focus on anti-poaching patrols, habitat restoration, and establishing protected areas to give the Amur leopard a fighting chance for survival. This extraordinary animal is also known for its incredible agility and strength, capable of leaping over 10 feet vertically and running at speeds up to 37 miles per hour. These abilities are crucial for hunting and evading threats in its rugged terrain. The Amur leopard's plight underscores the importance of international cooperation in wildlife conservation. By supporting organizations dedicated to preserving their habitats and curbing illegal activities, we can help ensure that future generations might witness the beauty and grace of this majestic creature in the wild. Number 2. Vaquita. The vaquita, the world's rarest marine mammal, inhabits the northern part of the Gulf of California. With its endearing facial markings and small, robust body, the vaquita is a true gem of the ocean. Tragically, only about 10 individuals are estimated to remain. The primary threat to vaquitas is bycatch, where they become entangled in illegal gill nets intended for catching totoaba fish, whose swim bladders are highly valued in traditional Chinese medicine. Despite international bans and conservation efforts, the illegal fishing continues to push this species towards extinction. Vaquitas are shy and elusive, making them difficult to study and protect. They have a distinctive appearance with dark rings around their eyes and mouth, giving them a panda-like look. Conservationists are working tirelessly to enforce bans on gill nets, promote sustainable fishing practices, and increase awareness about the vaquita's dire situation. Efforts also include habitat protection and the removal of abandoned fishing gear from the vaquita's environment. Number 3. Javan rhino. The Javan rhino, one of the most endangered large mammals, is native to the dense tropical forests of Indonesia's Ujung Kulon National Park. With only around 70 individuals left, this rhino is on the brink of extinction. Unlike their African cousins, Javan rhinos have smaller, less conspicuous horns, which have unfortunately not spared them from poaching. Habitat loss due to agricultural expansion and human settlement further threatens their survival. Conservation efforts focus on strict protection of their habitat, anti-poaching measures, and habitat restoration. This remarkable creature is also known for its reclusive nature, rarely seen even by those who study it. Javan rhinos have a unique single horn and a loose, wrinkled skin that appears almost armor-like. Conservationists emphasize the importance of preserving the entirety of their habitat to maintain the delicate balance of their ecosystem. The establishment of the Javan Rhino Study and Conservation Area within Ujung Kulon aims to provide a safe haven for these rhinos and ensure their long-term survival. By supporting these initiatives, we can contribute to the preservation of one of the planet's rarest and most fascinating animals. Number 4. Philippine eagle. The Philippine eagle, also known as the monkey-eating eagle, is the national bird of the Philippines and one of the largest and most powerful eagles in the world. This majestic bird, with its striking blue-gray eyes, massive bill, and impressive wingspan, is critically endangered, with an estimated population of fewer than 400 individuals. Deforestation and habitat fragmentation are the primary threats, as these eagles rely on large expanses of primary forest to hunt and nest. Conservation efforts include habitat protection, captive breeding programs, and community education to promote coexistence. Philippine eagles are known for their incredible hunting prowess, preying on monkeys, large birds, and even snakes. They play a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance of their forest habitat. Unfortunately, their slow reproductive rate, with pairs producing only one egg every 2 years, makes recovery efforts particularly challenging. Conservationists are working to restore and connect fragmented forests, reduce human-wildlife conflict, and strengthen legal protections. Number 5. Hawksbill turtle. The hawksbill turtle, renowned for its beautiful shell and intricate patterns, is a critically endangered marine species found in tropical coral reefs around the world. These turtles play a vital role in maintaining the health of coral reefs by feeding on sponges, which allows corals to thrive. However, their populations have drastically declined due to illegal trade in their shells, known as tortoiseshell, as well as habitat loss, climate change, and bycatch in fishing gear. Conservation efforts focus on protecting nesting sites, reducing bycatch, and enforcing bans on the trade of hawksbill products. Hawksbill turtles are also known for their long migrations between feeding and nesting sites, often crossing entire oceans. Their nests are crucial for coastal ecosystems, as unhatched eggs provide nutrients to the beach environment. Conservationists work to protect nesting beaches, implement turtle-friendly fishing practices, and restore degraded habitats. Public education campaigns aim to reduce the demand for tortoiseshell products and promote sustainable tourism. By supporting these initiatives, we can help preserve the intricate beauty and ecological importance of the hawksbill turtle for future generations. Number 6. Mountain gorilla. The mountain gorilla, a subspecies of the eastern gorilla, inhabits the dense forests of the Virunga Mountains and Bwindi Impenetrable National Park in East Africa. With fewer than 1,000 individuals left, these gentle giants face threats from habitat destruction, poaching, disease, and human-wildlife conflict. Conservation efforts have made significant progress, including anti-poaching patrols, habitat protection, and ecotourism programs that benefit local communities and fund conservation activities. Mountain gorillas live in close-knit family groups led by a dominant silverback male, who provides protection and guidance. They are known for their intelligence, complex social behaviors, and striking appearance, with thick, shaggy fur that helps them survive in their cold, mountainous habitat. Conservationists emphasize the importance of protecting their habitat and mitigating human-wildlife conflict to ensure the long-term survival of these magnificent creatures. Number 7. Saola. The saola, often referred to as the Asian unicorn, is one of the rarest and most enigmatic animals in the world. Discovered only in 1992, this elusive antelope-like creature inhabits the Annamite Mountains of Vietnam and Laos. With its long, slender horns and striking facial markings, the saola is a symbol of the rich biodiversity of the region. Unfortunately, it is critically endangered due to habitat loss, hunting, and snares set for other animals. Conservation efforts focus on protecting its habitat, reducing hunting pressure, and conducting research to better understand its ecology and behavior. Saolas are incredibly elusive, with only a few confirmed sightings in the wild. They are believed to be solitary and shy, living in dense, remote forests. Conservationists work to protect these areas, remove snares, and collaborate with local communities to reduce hunting and promote sustainable livelihoods. By supporting initiatives that protect its habitat and reduce threats, we can help ensure the survival of this extraordinary and elusive species. Number 8. Snow leopard. The snow leopard, known as the ghost of the mountains, roams the high-altitude regions of Central and South Asia. With its thick, smoky gray fur, long tail, and powerful build, this elusive big cat is perfectly adapted to its harsh environment. Despite its wide range, the snow leopard is endangered, with an estimated population of fewer than 7,000 individuals. Threats include poaching for its fur and bones, habitat fragmentation, and conflict with herders. Conservation efforts focus on community-based initiatives, anti-poaching measures, and habitat protection. Snow leopards are solitary and elusive, making them difficult to study and protect. They are expert climbers, capable of navigating steep, rocky terrain with ease. Their diet primarily consists of blue sheep and ibex, but they are known to prey on livestock, leading to conflicts with local herders. Conservationists work to mitigate these conflicts by promoting predator-friendly livestock practices and compensating herders for losses. By raising awareness and supporting community-based conservation programs, we can help ensure the survival of the snow leopard and the health of its mountain habitat. Number 9. Orangutan. The orangutan, an intelligent and gentle great ape, is native to the rainforests of Borneo and Sumatra. With its distinctive reddish-brown hair, expressive face, and long arms, the orangutan is a symbol of the lush, tropical forests it inhabits. Both the Bornean and Sumatran orangutans are critically endangered due to habitat destruction from logging and palm oil plantations, as well as illegal hunting and the pet trade. Conservation efforts are focused on protecting and restoring their habitats, enforcing anti-poaching laws, and promoting sustainable agriculture practices. Orangutans are known for their remarkable intelligence and use of tools, often using sticks to extract insects from tree bark or leaves to collect water. They are also solitary creatures, with males and females only coming together for mating. The loss of their habitat not only threatens their survival but also disrupts the entire rainforest ecosystem, as orangutans play a crucial role in seed dispersal. By supporting sustainable palm oil initiatives, habitat conservation projects, and rehabilitation centers for orphaned and displaced orangutans, we can help ensure the future of these incredible primates and their vital role in the rainforest ecosystem. Number 10. Sumatran tiger. The Sumatran tiger, the smallest and rarest of all tiger subspecies, roams the lush forests of Sumatra, Indonesia. With an estimated population of fewer than 400 individuals, this tiger is critically endangered due to habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict. The Sumatran tiger's distinctive orange coat with narrow black stripes and its smaller size make it uniquely adapted to its dense jungle habitat. Conservation efforts include anti-poaching patrols, habitat restoration, and community-based conservation programs. Sumatran tigers are solitary and territorial animals, requiring large areas of forest to hunt and breed. They prey on a variety of animals, including deer, wild boar, and even fish. The fragmentation of their habitat due to agricultural expansion and deforestation increases the likelihood of human-tiger conflicts. Conservationists work to protect and connect tiger habitats, promote sustainable land use practices, and engage local communities in tiger conservation. By supporting these efforts, we can help ensure the survival of the Sumatran tiger and the biodiversity of its forest home. Number 11. African wild dog. The African wild dog, also known as the painted wolf, is one of the most endangered carnivores in Africa, with fewer than 6,000 individuals remaining in the wild. These social animals are known for their large, rounded ears, mottled fur patterns, and highly cooperative pack behavior. African wild dogs face threats from habitat fragmentation, human-wildlife conflict, and diseases such as rabies and canine distemper. Conservation efforts focus on habitat protection, disease management, and promoting coexistence with local communities. African wild dogs are exceptional hunters, using teamwork and endurance to chase down prey over long distances. Their complex social structure and strong bonds within packs are crucial for their survival and success in the wild. Conservationists work to protect and restore wild dog habitats, create wildlife corridors, and engage local communities in conservation efforts. By reducing human-wildlife conflicts and promoting the health of wild dog populations, we can help ensure the survival of this remarkable species and the balance of their ecosystems. Number 12. Blue whale. The blue whale, the largest animal on Earth, is an awe-inspiring marine mammal found in oceans around the world. These gentle giants, known for their bluish-gray coloration and massive size, can reach lengths of up to 100 feet and weigh as much as 200 tons. Despite their size, blue whales are endangered due to past commercial whaling, ship strikes, and climate change affecting their food sources. Conservation efforts include international bans on whaling, marine protected areas, and measures to reduce ship strikes and ocean noise pollution. Blue whales are filter feeders, consuming vast quantities of tiny krill to sustain their enormous bodies. They are known for their haunting, melodic songs, which can travel great distances underwater. The recovery of blue whale populations is slow, as they reproduce infrequently and have long gestation periods. Conservationists emphasize the importance of protecting their feeding and breeding grounds, reducing ocean pollution, and monitoring populations to ensure their recovery. Number 13. Black rhinoceros. The black rhinoceros, with its distinctive hooked upper lip and robust build, is a critically endangered species native to the savannas and shrublands of Africa. Poaching for their horns, driven by the demand in traditional medicine and as a status symbol, has decimated their populations, with fewer than 5,000 individuals remaining. Conservation efforts focus on anti-poaching measures, habitat protection, and community-based conservation programs that provide alternative livelihoods and promote wildlife conservation. Black rhinos are solitary and territorial animals, often found browsing on shrubs and small trees. They have poor eyesight but an excellent sense of smell and hearing, which they use to navigate their environment and detect threats. The recovery of black rhino populations is challenged by habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict. Conservationists work to create and maintain protected areas, implement anti-poaching technologies, and engage local communities in rhino conservation efforts. By supporting these initiatives, we can help ensure the survival of the black rhinoceros and the biodiversity of their habitats. Number 14. Galapagos penguin. The Galapagos penguin, the only penguin species found north of the equator, inhabits the Galapagos Islands off the coast of Ecuador. These small, endearing penguins are critically endangered, with an estimated population of fewer than 2,000 individuals. Threats include climate change, which affects their food supply, and introduced predators such as rats and cats. Conservation efforts focus on protecting their nesting sites, controlling invasive species, and monitoring populations to understand their ecology and behavior. Galapagos penguins are adapted to the warm climate of the islands, relying on the cool waters of the Humboldt and Cromwell currents for their food supply. They feed primarily on small fish and squid, diving up to 30 meters to catch their prey. Conservationists emphasize the importance of protecting their marine environment, reducing the impact of climate change, and controlling introduced predators. By supporting marine conservation initiatives and sustainable tourism practices, we can help ensure the survival of the Galapagos penguin and the unique biodiversity of the Galapagos Islands. Number 15. Green sea turtle. The green sea turtle, named for the greenish color of its body fat, is a large marine turtle found in tropical and subtropical waters around the world. These turtles are endangered due to habitat loss, poaching, and bycatch in fishing gear. Green sea turtles play a crucial role in maintaining the health of seagrass beds and coral reefs, as they graze on seagrass and help keep the ecosystem balanced. Conservation efforts focus on protecting nesting and feeding sites, reducing bycatch, and combating illegal trade. Green sea turtles have a remarkable life cycle, migrating long distances between their feeding grounds and nesting beaches. Females return to the same beaches where they were born to lay their eggs, a phenomenon known as natal homing. The loss of nesting beaches due to coastal development and climate change threatens their reproduction and survival. Conservationists work to protect nesting sites, promote turtle-friendly fishing practices, and raise awareness about the importance of sea turtles. By supporting these efforts, we can help ensure the survival of the green sea turtle and the health of our marine ecosystems. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of beautiful, endangered animals. Each of these species plays a vital role in their ecosystems and represents the incredible diversity of life on our planet. By supporting conservation efforts, raising awareness, and promoting sustainable practices, we can help protect these magnificent creatures and ensure they continue to thrive for generations to come. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on wildlife and conservation. Together, we can make a difference.